down. What's the son? What's the walk? Calm down. Hey, you're waiting to walk you now. Leave me now. Hey, calm down. What's your problem? Say no, the matter. You're able to talk to. Hey, you don't know the matter. What's the wall you said? Eh? Just calm down. See, relax.
Leave am. They owe you. They owe you enough for bread.
Calm down.
Can you beat me? Who are you? Who are you? That is flabbergasted in your life. Beat me now. Let me see.
You.
You know everything. Leave me. Come. Come. Let me give you some assault. Come. Let me give you some assault.
Free me now. You
know answer wetin you want. You know answer wetin you want. You want this thing. I no go give you. That thing, you know receive her.
I swear all money wey you don chop for my hand, you must give. I must collect am. Chichi no go remain for you. I swear to God.
One you no go receive.
You go pay you and come.
One you no go receive.
You don't do now.
You shut up.
Just wait, you shut up.
Leave this bamboo.
If I leave am,
Hey, leave me now.
Come let me follow from that line.
Area, calm down. Oga, if I leave area, I go for enter.
Who is area?
If I leave area, Oga cook you with auto. You talk nonsense.
Me will beat 10,000 people.
How do you see that?
Touch me. Touch me now.
You don't do.
Touch me.
Area leave am. A woman should be, no be opue. You go collect am now. Calm down.
Mugu.
Oh wait.
They drag you. You dey zuzu. Because you come here. You come here and insult my sisters. You dey insult my sisters. I go enter you. And if I enter you, you go dry. You go there.
You don't see here for. Wetin dey work yourself? You don't come over here.
Nonsense. Ojamu na ejirego.
I think calm down now. They hold you yourself.
No, come and fight me. You dey fall like bread, like for a woman. Come and fight me. Let me give you some assault in the mouth. Nonsense. They hold you. You dey fall like apple. Come and touch me. Let me give you.
This thing now, na small thing. Owu go then whenever over, you go still get am. No be opue. You go get this girl now. You go get am. See, Owu go then whenever over. Down, you get one. Relax. You na street man. I know your energy. You understand? You na street man. I know what if you do. This person is small now. It's small for you. It's small for you. Nobody gonna fight am for road now. Nah. What for you? You big past this thing. You know now. Nah.
Come back here! I am talking to you. Come back here. How dare you walk out? Are you lost? Come here. You're very stupid. You have lost. Stop. Tell me yourself. Get up. I said get up. What is wrong with you? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Jude, stand up. Stand up! Stand up! Stupid boy. Useless guy.
What is it?
We don't know.
My princess slapped him.
Slap?
He fell.
It was just a slap. Shut up! It was just a slap and someone is lying here almost lifeless. Please. What do we do?
Dad! Oh yeah, to the hospital immediately. Take me inside the car quickly to the hospital. Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Come here. Just pray. Pray nothing happens to him. Pray that nothing happens to him. You are bent to giving me misery. Pray!
How many times have I warned you not to touch people anyhow? Nobody's alive these days. And you be cautious about how you touch people. Pray nothing happens to that God. Pray hard! Ekwu! Hey, you! Hey! Why are you pacing around? Do you want me to slap you too? Just one slap, somebody from there. How is it my fault?
I said leave me now. Leave me! I don't like it. This is the way they do, I don't like it. I said leave me!
Calm down, I will shock you. Oh, no, leave her. Calm down. Leave her.
Area, what happened?
Okomis, ask your daughter. I want me to use that mouth tell you what happened.
You that come to report in the police station, report it in the case. What are you saying? Use your mouth and say the thing.
Ekwu.
Yes, Mama.
You see me, yes, Mama. What happened?
Ashi.
Him.
Him.
I said, leave me. I don't let that tell you what happened.
Tonight, you don't want to talk with
I know you see you now. I reason you now.
He here. He said he don't see us.
You see you now before?
Let's see.
We don't see you now.
Oh, charge up. Charge up.
Charge up.
And you weapon of this year for me. Your girl get married, chop my baby. She get married. They know about it. Ask them, they know about it.
What's your problem? Yes. You want me to come here and tell you for myself? Come on, please go back job. Let's not the one you for. Equitas. Yo,
that's a joke. It's a joke. I create back to you. I get to the back. You don't know I get to the back. See, don't respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. You see, see my yelling. See, respect. I'm not here. I'm not here. You just a joke. Yeah. Hey, Muna, shut up. I went down now. She must pay my money before I leave here. For this thing. When she pay my money before I leave here. See, she must pay me all my money before I leave here.
Gods of Asian kingdom.
My king, what is the situation?
Hi. The guard is dead.
What?
He's dead.
What is it that you collected? What business is it that, or goods is it that is with you from that person? Which business do you have with him? Ekutas?
Yes, Mama. You're telling me which goods am I holding with her? With him? Do you see me do anything? Am I selling goods or am I working?
So why is he saying that his goods are with you?
Mama, how good is this guy? I'm not holding his goods. It's because the other time when you call my sister's dog. Dog is not the understatement too. Now when you come here, when you say you come here now, you can't say my sisters, you don't see them. That is, my sisters are nothing. Can you imagine?
He called my children dogs. He called my children dogs.
Yes, Mama, that's what he called.
I've told you several times never to allow anybody to call my children dogs.
Mama, I don't allow anybody. Oh. Me, I fight for them 247. Every time I fight. Every time I fight. I don't allow anybody to go. Just that he's looking for TT.
Still have a long way to go.
You You are the one that have a long way to go. What is talking to? What is titi? You see me, you have a long way. Open your mouth and talk now.
Mama, talking to means waiting man and woman they do.
Here! And you know about it?
Everybody talk about them. Even sister could talk about them. So no be new thing.
Ekutas, turn your face this way.
Yes, Mama.
You see what they are teaching these children?
Mama. Mama. The thing say, it's not me that I'm not teaching anybody anything, you know. I'm not teaching anybody. It's just that the other time he give me money. I don't shop the money. I no go did I say I don't shop him. I shop the money. I don't want to give him this thing.
That is what he's asking for.
Yes, Mama.
Ekutas, stand up.
Mama.
Ekutas, stand up. You go and give him his money. See, Papa.
Mama, you call me.
Yes.
Mama, you call me.
Yes.
Why you call me?
You took money from him, so go and give him his money.
Okay, may I give him?
Yes.
Mama, may I give him this?
Yes.
Mama, you are maltreating me. Mama, you are maltreating me. Boy, swear. Mama, I know they give him anything, child. Mama, I'm not gonna pull.
Hello. So Judy's gone. Just like that. So Judy's gone. Because he's a governor. Just like that. I followed Jude to the hospital. We did everything possible for Jude to survive it, but he never made it. At this point, why do you go? Why? Jude is gone. You're telling me that there will be justice for Jude was everyone's friend. He's too nice. Why? Jude can give up his food for me. That guy is too nice.
Igwe, we received your SOS alert and I came ahead of the cabinet members. What happened? What's going on here?
One of the guards kicked the bucket.
How? He died? Did he took ill or something?
No. It's rather pathetic. My daughter, the princess of this kingdom, slapped the guard. The young man collapsed. We rushed him to the hospital, but before we could get to the hospital, the young man died.
Oh! Amadio! Igwe, this is bad news.
Rather pathetic. I don't know.
Oluebube.
Yeah. You know, I tell you about it, Thomas.
Want to go to me? I think they work you. Calm down. Every time your blood is hot. If this ban you know say you no go fit do waiting area they tell her. Why they collect money for area hand? Why they collect money for area hand? You know say you no go fit do waiting they game. You they collect money. You don't know say work must pay.
Why you no go chop am?
Why you go chop am?
Hold on now. Me we be guy now. I go day. I can't see a woman will like me. Can they wire me phone so if you have money level? Say make I no collect them. Man no collect bread and butter. Ekele kwango innocent to you.
Omo na kotu. You dey hear me? They talk nonsense. Anybody wey know say he no go fit pay for wetin dey chop, make him no chop am. You know if you collect area money finish, you no pay.
Oga no be by force. He no force anybody.
Oga na by force.
No be by force anything. Don't tell me that thing. I do on my own. They carry bread and butter call. You say make I reject it. Which kind of matter be that? Now lie. I tell him.
See, now him make me tell you say ban is they no pure. You see women like this, they no pure. I tell you before it is not like. How person with a clear eye go collect money for person and you know deliver. And a man put some mad over have your man laugh here and you.
Oga, the thing no be by force.
Oga na by force.
You know force I mean. I tell you got the.
Na area na in the level because if na me I for don enter am.
I hear you.
Guy, no say your brain no correct.
No leave am. Make they run mouth.
I will reset your brain for you.
Area, check am go. I know they see your face on the norms. If he give you respect, but if you won't cross border self, you no go like me.
Now me they talk to like this.
No be you.
You say now me be the area. Come on.
If you be area, me
I know the two cap. Guys, you go talk now. I will put them for your body.
Ozugbo na.
Me?
Oga area go light you. No be to the shine eye, he go light you.
Me?
He go run enter you.
Obere want to. Come on, I'm going to go. Your house get happen way. We see if anything stop on you, if you go waka come out. I beg go.
Oga, calm down now. Calm down. You get why? I know why they tell me to calm down. Area blood they hot. You know say no they always they talk too much. If he enter you, no go carry you. Calm down.
You get them.
Come the waka they go. Leave here. I say leave this area.
My manager, my papa.
I say leave there.
I can't never come out here.
Area.
Do what you want to.
Area.
I don't come out here, sir.
I'm not saying they lose guy. This guy in a Greece. I know guess this. But calm down.
Nobody listen like that.
You
for telling me I tell you.
See, area waiting us up now. Leave me. Don't do this kind of thing now.
You don't do anything.
See, hey, Oga, I go change her for that phone. I go change her for. Which kind of rubbish is this one? Let me see. Oga, see. What do you say? What's your problem? What do you?
I don't fear you.
See, now all this kind of nonsense I know they like. Which kind of nonsense you this one now?
Coming. Sorry. How are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm just here. You're not looking bad. I saw the Oluebube downstairs with Daddy, Mommy and the elders. She was sitting on the floor saying some fetish words. Though I wanted to greet them, but Daddy asked I should go upstairs. You're not saying anything?
Flourish. God Jude is dead.
What? What?
Yes. I slapped him and he fainted. Then he was rushed to the hospital. And then he died.
Sis, it wasn't your fault at all. It wasn't intentional.
How is it not my fault? I actually slapped him. I slapped him, then he fainted. It's my fault.
Please, you don't have to cry. Please.
That boy has beaten more than he can chew. You see, at this juncture, we need to teach him a lesson he will never live to regret. See, this thing don't tire me. See, we go teach am lesson, we go carry am beyond, we go regret am. Whatever makes us feel pain, we feel pain more than us. You see all of them, we go give them visits one by one after the other. No repentance in the grave. Even if they repentance the grave, opportunity they no go see them. We go still show them payback. See, there is no peace for the wicked. See, we go give them back to back for this place. I'll also deal with that idiot.
Area! Wetin dey sup? You know the reason why wetin do you? Wetin happen?
No say be my guy.
Correct guy now.
I know they see my menses.
If you know they see your menses, now you go hospital, make you go do your molar strength, vaginal strength, measure cup. Make your you understand what I'm saying? You understand?
Can I call you?
Nah, I'm gonna work against us. No, that for period. Yeah, what a kwami fella me yo.
Laba.
Let go.
Yep, whatever now.
Abi?
Look, bro. Abi? Just, I mean, no correct.
You correct now?
Not for you. I mean, no. Oh, you know the same I correct.
I know say correct.
Bro, you know go guy.
What? You know my problem for you. You know my problem. You know get who I dey support. If you know get who I know dey support. I support everybody. I dey with you, I dey with them.
You know they with you.
Oh, gene. Hey, was na gonna go do nya. Na me and you there na what for you. Ekwu.
Baba, pass me light and make I. You know what the last you know now, they know my you know. But make I tell you, my head is clear.
Abi?
My head no clear.
Clear.
You clear.
You know my problem.
Now.
You know my problem. You don't get who I dey support.
Not sharp.
Eh?
It's not sharp.
See, make I tell you, he must knack this pekus. You see this your peku.
You no go knack am.
You no go knack am.
You no go knack am.
Ekwu.
Yes.
Ekwu. Area go knack am. He go knack am.
You no go knack am.
If he knack am finish, he go pour you spit for face.
No. Area don't dey work. Even if in movement na mugu money.
Area. Na go. Let's go. You know legit. You know legit, I swear. You know pure. You know just pure. So you dey collect area money. You don't want to give area pekus.
This one you guys are standing like this. What's happened?
So she has been released.
Yes, of course she has been released. Is that why you guys are standing like this?
Yes.
Come on. In our country today, if you don't have money and connection, my brother, you are nobody. So you guys should stop looking the way you guys are looking.
Hey, God, in my next life, if I'm not born into a rich family, I will not bother coming out.
Don't even come out. Just stay in your mother's womb. Hi!
But it's true. Let's assume it was one of us that killed Jude.
Hey, my sister, you are gone.
Let me tell you. Just tell your parents to forget about you.
Yes,
because you're not going to come back alive.
You are dead and gone.
Just imagine how Jude just died like that. It's so heartbreaking.
All I know is justice for Jude must be done. Yes, sir.
Guy, when you find my game, omega uno omego. Obum magalana. Obum magalana. That is it.
What kind of thunder is this? Sending rain is not even falling.
Maybe something happened. Or Bessie don't do bad, or something bad don't happen. Let me kill it in that place.
Something bad happened. Like how? Like what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This has never happened before. Yeah? Something must be wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere.
Get your big man about it. Get the man himself. Which can get you are a diabolic human being. You are a man. You are an idiot.
You see who we are. Put us waiting to happen now. If you person that die here.
And when we young back, I dare you say go natch. I dare you say go natch. Call out again and do all I go to know. All I like it. But not the other body. You let the enter your nash. Hold on, I know. Me, I know the carry self.
Go out for me. Go out for me, now, Ben.
Who go lift? Go on that. Make this guy carry. One day, your time, Sumami, water kingdom. On your sequence, help Chineke. Lanudo. One work area. Lanudo, idiot, the grace.
Aya, who there? Doctor.
Lanudo. Don't break your head.
I want to spot you. Because you come for.
You not going to breathe again. You not going to talk. No, so area. Oh, area. Hey. You put it inside the label and I told. It's happened. Take him to Keba and not give him this one. Wait him be here.
Just take it to the hospital.
Which
Now the hospital be this, so why you take him to the hospital?
Madam, we're not going anywhere now. You go treat you.
Look at this guy. Enter inside.
Where is Executors?
She said she won't back.
Hey! Hey! Etimbutiri. Mbambaba. Mbambutiri ta. No be small thing happen today. You don't see me say I don't go freshen up. Come back. Hey! What happened? Oh! Equator stuck. Mama! Mama, thunder strike. No be small thunder. I need kill my friend area. Area don't die. Area don't die.
Maybe he did something bad. Or bad thing happen when he go put out for bad thing or something happen.
Why you take me? Mama, you know? Mama, now you dey cause all this thing. Now you dey cause all this thing. I tell you say make you know dey call this shoe there. What is that thing they call it? Amuma. And they get it. Ekwu. Oh, Chineke. Oh, this is the way the cost of the problem is coming out from. So, Mama, from today, you're gonna call them Wani Handy. What did I say?
Wani Handy.
What did I say?
Hey, Mama.
Mama, I said Wani and Handy. What did I say?
Wani Handy.
That's what you be calling them. That's what you be calling them. Because this thing have entered in some. This thing have entered in. This thing have entered in another hand, and I will not take it. Because you cannot tell me, my friend, where we there. There's, sir, small time he come out, thunder strike and he die. Is it not a taboo? Now, na name be that oh. Now, from henceforth, Mumburi, Amamebu Shibutiya. Amamebu Shibutiya. Amamebu Shibutiya. You now there?
See, Auntie, calm down.
Look at their odor.
Calm down.
Look at their odor. Odor.
Calm down, no, calm down.
Look at it.
Calm down.
Shame no dey catch you now. See una odor.
Them be dog, but don't call them dog. Cause if you try them, so we are the wow. Fapo kwankitao, manapo kwana fankitao, epo fankita, ay, wahala day. One no go cry, the other one no go smiling.
See, vacancy. Job vacancy says where should says there. Needed apply in person. What do we do? What do we do? Should we apply? Apply. I think we should apply, but I don't think they will accept us because of you know now. You know. It's true, it's true. Yeah, I need the job. I'm tired of this life. I need the job. This thing, it will not be a circumstance for us. Let's just try now. Let's try. There's no harm in trying. You think so? I did not carry people very. No, let's go and finish this photo. Come back.
Wahala day, one no go.
Sandra, my princess. Greetings, my princess.
Go to my room. You will see my clothes on top of my bed. Do justice to them. Okay. What did I say?
That I should do justice to your clothes on top of your bed. My princess, please. I don't understand what you mean by do justice.
That's what you mean by this justice. Instead of you should go to school to learn, you decided to work here as a palace maid. By the time I return, and you haven't done what I asked you to do, you will regret your life.
I want to ask, please, if someone asks you to do justice to the clothes on top of her bed, what does that mean?
What justice, kwa? Law court? What did she tell you to do justice to?
Her clothes. She said I should do justice to the clothes on top of her bed.
But that justice is confusing me. What is justice?
Law court.
Let's call Rex and ask him. He might know the meaning.
Maybe.
Rex!
Justice, kwa. Justice. What's justice? You see a court? Chief Justice.
Chief Justice. Yes. Please, what does it mean to do justice to clothes?
Maybe the clothes are scattered. Yes. And she wants you to arrange them.
Yes. I assume she asked me to wash them.
Then wash them. But how did everything started?
My dear, I was on my own, jejely. You know me now.
I know you. I know you.
I heard Sandra. Sandra. I came out. She said, go to my bed, in my room, do justice to the clothes on top of my bed. Nah, they're quite confused.
What is justice?
That's what is the problem.
I won't say anything. But if I may advise my sister and my good friend, go and ask Princess Fina before you do something that will land you in a big problem. You know how insulting that girl can be before she will insult the hell out of you.
Imagine me, that little princess, telling me, Asa, that I should go to school and learn.
This one,
but I will not reason now.
If you cannot beat them, you join them.
Shut up your mouth. This join not follow. This one self. Join who?
The joy not follow.
Are we complaining?
Rex has signed that he would die here. He has signed that I'm
going to
die.
That gate.
My consign now.
Let's go. That is his destiny. That gate, you will die here. Not the gate.
JP, my man.
Okay, my man.
I did.
Just there to enjoy you.
I know if I no call you, you no go call me. I say when I call you, when you go out, maybe we take one ball.
Yeah, your face show.
Where them day? I bet good day here.
Rugged, my man. JP, don't you? Do you have beer?
Yes. What do you want? Which kind beer?
Give me Euro. Cold one. What's that at your back?
What's not at my back? Now this thing carry you come.
You don't know them.
I have not seen them before. Are they from this village?
They are from this village. Now so they born them. So they born them. And they did too. Now parents.
I bet shift go that side. Shift go that side. The shift where you see they come. We should be down ourselves. Are the dress they come here? You see the shift they come. Waiting. You want to tell me?
No be you order drink. Because now you not be you order drink now. What is the worry?
My friend, take this drink. I can't drink this drink. No, this one is not funny. Let me leave here. I can't drink this drink.
Rugged.
We go see later. We go see later. I beg.
Oh, God, this matter small now.
Customer. What did you tell that man?
I didn't tell him anything. He just came and was asking stupid questions.
You did not tell him anything before he left this place.
I'm not telling him. I just asked him if that is what brought him.
Pass. I chose the same customer. Mr. John, please, I'm sorry.
Madam Iweka, you know fully well that this guy is not from this village. As a matter of fact, now me call him. I call him as my guy. May we sit and take 1 or 2 bottles. Now this your dog gears come they react somehow give the guy. This thing the vest me.
I'm sorry.
The vest me.
I'm sorry. Please talk to him.
I beg, drink your drink. I don't pay for the drink. You have nothing to worry about.
What is happening today? This.
I'm not happy. I am pained more than you. I feel pain as I'm here. I don't understand. And I don't want to smile. And I don't want to shed tears. But if you continue, you will smile and I will shed tears. Good.
Madam Iweka. John. How far now?
Bad market.
Bad market. Now you don't talk that one. Why bad markets no go kill you? No be you go employ those 2 mysterious children. You know see as they do. Woman beings will carry dog bell. How you want bad market to make you no kill you?
Are you serious about what you're saying?
No, I'm not serious. I'm joking. See, let me tell you. The reason why some of us are still coming here because we are your old customers and we know them already. There is no new customer that will walk in here and come here again. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. And they give me my usual 1 bottle of life.
I think she's calling you. She should not call me. She should not call me. She should not call me. I'm not in that mood. Why is she calling me now? To remind me of who I am again. No. I beg, she should not call me. Everybody should on their own. Wait, I think this one is different. See, everybody should just mind their business. I think this one is different. Go and check it out. If she repeats it again, me, I'm going to smile. Oh. I'm suddenly behind you. Anything that will happen should happen. Me, I will smile. I'm suddenly behind you. And I'm going to shed tears.
Don't try that. Madam Iweka, no. They are not serving me.
Bros, how far now? What's in this up? Why they do this thing now? What thing will do you? It's just the common food from our mouth. Why you want to spoil business for us?
So, Ona too they talk. And Ona they even ask me, Oga, wetin we do you? No, make Ona look on herself. No be Ona do on herself. Wetin be those things wey Ona carry for back? Una no dey see am. I no wan talk. Leave me, let me enjoy my drink. Can you imagine? They are even asking me, Oga, wetin we do you? I will not take this again. Open and hold.
Business is good.
Business is good for your body.
You're looking sharp.
I'll follow you go back level.
Come. The pepper soup done ready.
Hey, they ready.
I better do sharp, do fast. You don't be here for a long time now.
Okay. Baby. You could give us something at least. Mods, you understand?
You want drink mods? Don't worry, collect mods now. Collect mods.
Thank you.
You want any other thing? Tell me she. It's okay for you. I like this your friend. That's so fine. Where you see this your friend from?
Now my sister from village.
Baby. Yeah. After my hotel, no the matter. Mama! Daddy! Mommy first! Man. Where you doing? No, I don't tell. You're not looking bad. Nah, God is good. Nah, this Lagos, they favor you, bro. They favor me. What man go do now? How your side now? Nah, just do. Never till I come back. You're looking sharp. Everywhere I go stew later. You know they ever change. Money face. You know they ever change. Young woman. Man. This guy. No, go still don't look you. You know the matter, man. No, just the chill. Everywhere still. Mommy's girl, mommy's boy. You know the matter now. Mommy's boy. Mama just do it with my own. Yeah, so then come on, let's go take drink. Yeah. Yeah. Where is my mother? Let us drink. Give us drink.
Okay, now what do you want?
Babe, what do you need?
What is this? For real?
Calm down. See, why do you slap her?
I'll give this.
No respect.
What is going on there? What is going on there?
Calm down, babe. Calm down.
What is going on here? Derek. Oh! So you're doing selling drinks here with these dogs? With these dogs?
They are not dogs. The children are not dogs. Derek, didn't you tell her?
So why would you protect if they are not dogs? They are dogs and I will kill them.
Babe, calm down. Mommy, I've seen it yourself, right?
Take me out of here.
Calm down, babe.
If you don't want me to kill them, take me out of here. Then take me out of here. I don't want to take this anymore. What's this stuff? Get out!
Babe, calm down!
If you touch me!
Babe!
Touch me! Nonsense.
First I see my mommy and you are behaving this way. Mommy, I've seen it, right? You see what I'm talking? This 2 inch! Mom, you see this 2 inch? I've lost my girlfriend now! No worry, I will kill you. You girls, These two rats, you go workers, I will kill them!
With my sisters. Chase them away.
I know.
Wait.
I know.
Calm down.
Papa, calm down.
Amaka.
Go pro. When I walk case. When I gonna come case.
Leave me alone. Let me do.
When I walk case.
Leave me alone. Let me do.
When you gonna mind now?
I want to put this shop down.
I believe your footage.
I want to put this shop down.
I believe you. No.
Oh, you are pulling my trigger.
Relax, yeah.
You are pulling my trigger.
Relax, calm down.
You are pulling my trigger. Wait, happen. Relax,
what did I do here? Oh my goodness. Butu now.
Apumaka.
Can't
do that with this one.
Oh,
that's why people bring this shop down. Oh,
madam.
Oh,
you fuck up.
Oh.
We're not gonna treat the fuck up. Let's go. Onyem butu na wow. Ekwu butu now. Ema ka osi now. But I see the plane now. Na wow. Guy now.
The driver that he's not going to drive out until he settles him. He stood in front of the bus. The driver told him to leave. That if he starts the engine, he's going to run over him if he doesn't stay out of the way. Though everybody thought it was a joke. Though some people were telling him to leave the road immediately. The driver started the engine and ran over him. and he died instantly.
He died?
Huh! Then what happened next?
They rushed him as everybody was beating him. The police drove in into the situation and took him with the conductor cops.
This is not good. What a world. This is
The
not
police drove in and took him with the cops. And all the while, you and your driver were there watching this scenario without rendering any assistance.
Hey! This is not good at all. So painful.
They were by the side of the road.
Greetings, your
This is not good.
Greetings, my queen and princesses.
What do you want?
Lunch is ready.
Okay. We'll soon be here. Hey! I feel for that. This is not good. I feel for that young man. Is he married? Mother, how will she know?
How would I know?
Ha! This is a man that left the house just to look for greener pastures. Eh?
Joycey, where is the food? What? I dished that food here.
You dished what?
Vina,
Father.
I've warned you not to take decisions before.
I'm sorry, Father.
My king, if you excuse me. What do you want to achieve by this?
My queen, I can swear by the gods of this land. I dished this very food before I came to call you people. I swear.
You're still lying, right?
No, my queen.
Don't worry. I know what to do. You know what? I want you to carry this pot and follow me this minute.
Yes,
get the pot!
My king, I really don't know why this crowd
decided to pull the stunt on all of us now. Look at the rice. It's undished. Open the pot! Can you imagine?
What do you want to achieve with what you just done?
Your Highness, I can swear by anything. I dished this food before coming to call you people. I swear.
Father, have you seen why I slapped her? She had the guts, the effrontery to lie before the king of Asian community. How dare you?
Are you sure you dished this food?
Yes, my princess. I dished the food.
She's still
I have lost the appetite. I lost it.
Joycey!
I'm seeing what it cost. My king, please, my king, please. I'm sorry.
This house, I'm this man is out. Stupid girl. Useless thing. It's not good.
What's it they find here?
Ekwu us if you see me, you go know say I gallant. If you not be small thing, your teeth for don't come out.
Ah, shock me.
See this two small rats.
Who they call small rats?
Slap that man. They call that name. Maintain no.
If you slap person,
Oh God.
Wait. Because I pipe low, they look you. You come my house, they rant like rats. What make I enter you?
Make I warn you. Make wetin happen no happen again because you no go like the outcome.
Oh guy, if you dey talk to my sister, bring your hand down, you know the craze. So they talk to her like that. And make I tell you, maintain. Now our area you dey maintain. Una not be made for the level. Good. You understand?
If you no be smart enough for just buy boba for una too.
You get money?
Good.
Buy come. We go drink am.
Remove this person from this place.
I go put you for pockets. Na put una two, I go put una two for pockets.
Shut up your mouth and listen to us.
Very good.
Where were you?
Equitas!
Where were you?
Deal with them.
Where were you?
No wahala.
Where were you?
You forgot now.
Mama, calm down. Shut up your mouth. I said deal with him. You are doing like this. You are just doing like you are not doing anything. You could not even handle him. You are just spreading. Don't walk.
Now because of my sister.
Shut up.
Something is wrong somewhere. I am very certain there's something wrong somewhere.
If you're sure of what you're saying, that means something spiritual is wrong somewhere.
Do you think so? Yes. Joyce is
not a little girl. Not to have known what she did after cooking.
My take on this is Joyce should think more on this. Sometimes you might think that you've done something wrong without knowing that you've not done anything.
They thought I'm lying.
Yes.
I am going to resign.
Why?
I have to resign. Remember, she also told Jude that she was going to kill him. I can't wait for that to happen.
Joyce,
I have to
did
resign.
This to you?
Yes!
And she later killed him.
The king needs to look into this deeply to know what caused it.
That was the same thing she said to me.
Any child that says that his or her mother will not rest at night, that child will equally not rest. And any child that carries his or her father hope will surely go blind. I want to smile. I want to shed tears.
Somebody help! John! Somebody help me! John! Somebody help! Somebody help! Get up! John!
Why are you looking at us like that? What happened?
What happened? Okay. They asked me what's happened. Okay. Una know that man will make you wake to Sakuna.
John? Yes.
That man don't die.
Wow.
And I thunder killer. I say, and I thunder killer.
Yeah. Wow. I will tell you.
Because you remember that my friend? Where Kosu? Na thunder killer. Una remember that woman? Where Kosu for market? I still thunder killer. This man now, where Sakuna? Where make you work to Sakuna? Na thunder still killer. Who na be?
Who be your sister now?
Ekwu yours where? Ono ga piashi there. They mad? Who be your sister?
Now this is making you look us like that. How the way you are saying it, just looking as if we are the one that killed them. As if now we can hunt for their matter.
I did tell Mama this thing. This thing is suspicious. This thing is suspicious. And they talk they call me the mad. They call me Grace.
No, that you're looking at us like that and just scaring somebody.
My spirit's not the lie. My spirit's not the lie. I tell Mama this thing. Because
this one that she's saying, you go see. You know, say her matter no dey strong.
Hey! Come here. Make I cut this thing down. Make I know wetin dey sup for this country, for this community, for this particular, for this. Let me know who's this thing. Let me cut this thing off. I don't know why thunder is killing everybody. So one day now I go call you, Mechum. You dey mad? Male, reason wetin I tell you. You see, say reason wetin I tell you. Reason am.
Equitos. For the fact that they have tails does not mean that they are animals. Does not mean that they are dogs.
Mommy, cut through tails out the banana. Cut it and tell. Cut the tails and keep. What's this? Keep the tails. Cut it. How? You are telling me how? How is by go to the hospital, go and do surgery, and cut it and keep it in the ground? What's this?
As if I've not done that before.
I see.
Do you know how much they told me when I went to the hospital?
How much?
25 million naira. Where will I get such money from? Even if I sell you, you're not even up to 100,000 naira. You're asking me to cut it and put it in honey. Just like that, you just open your mouth and you begin to talk. Is it that possible? Where do you expect me to get such money from?
Idea the niche. They get different ideas.
Okay, bring one.
Okay, make I bring one.
Yes.
Okay. Like that, if they sleep for nights, if they sleep, may we carry scissors, cut down. May anything we want happen, may it happen.
You see? No, just repeat what you just said.
Let me myself. Let me come. Come with us.
Say it now. You say you have plans. Say it now.
The price I say, this English is making me to butt my
use another English.
The price I say is that let's use scissors in the night. If they are sleeping, then cut it and keep in the ground.
Yes. We should use scissors and cut it.
Yes.
Okay, that's a very good plan.
Yeah. Come like say I no get sense.
Yes,
I
really
get
have sense.
Equitos,
calm down. What you just said now, I know.
Yes.
We'll use the scissors.
Yes.
First of all, we'll cut this your ear. You're holding it. We will use scissors and cut this your ear. Then we'll use the other part of the scissors and remove one of this your eye. How would it work? Yeah. How do you look at it? Is it not good?
Me, I tell you my plan.
It's not me. Is it good or not?
Because sometimes now if you go market, if you come back, you not go see the tail again. You come be like, I don't cut them.
Go and sell it. You go and sell it.
Use the money. Bye.
You go and sell it and use the money. Okay? Equitos. You're saying that before me. You cut the tail, you go and sell it and use the money to buy what? You're still saying it, you're still making sure. Then the owner say, I go bring come, make they follow you, they say.
Okay.
Wetin be their names?
This one na Mama, the other one na Igwe.
Now you born these children?
Yes, they're my children.
Oh. I'm not going to work with them. I'm not going to work with them.
Why now?
Nothing, but I'm not going to work.
But the other day when I come with you tell me say make I bring them come. Who should be said there is no vacancy?
There is no vacancy. I can't work with them, please.
Why? Why? They're not the bad person now.
Madam, please carry your picking them. I don't need them. There is no vacancy.
You don't need them?
Yes.
They go help you well,
I know they go help you, but I don't need them, please. There is no vacancy here.
Mama, make we join hands together. Make we know how we could take do this surgery.
Listen. Make we join hands do surgery. How many times I don't tell you say the money where they call too much? I don't tell you. If someone could bring 25 million naira, you get her. No, I ask you, you got 25 million naira.
Mama, make we find way. Make we find way do this thing.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Now we find way do it.
Yes.
May we go sell you. May we go sell you.
Me self don't go reach from there. Talk less of.
I know they like when you raise yourself go up. As you talk of, you not talk of 50,000. You talk of 500. You as if they compress you put for inside cup. You reach 5 naira. He said 500,000. Don't they talk rubbish?
Mama, see first. See, Mama, my own is that this thing I say nah. I don't care. I don't even want to know. I don't want to listen to it. My own is that we're not interested in any surgery. We're not doing any surgery. Me, I'm not doing any surgery. Me personally too. I'm not doing any surgery.
Okay, you know they do any surgery?
Yes,
no.
yes.
Una know they do any surgery?
Yes.
Mama, you know you go do this surgery.
This is our life. Allow us, accept us like that. Period.
Okay, una know they do this surgery?
No.
No, wahala.
Papa.
We like ourselves like this.
I'm not doing anything. Wani, come and lie down.
Huh?
Come and lie down.
That's Nama.
Why?
Wani, come and stand there. Come and lie down. Wani! Mama, Abi your eyes don't clear. Abi you want make I give you spec. Hope you don't see everything clear.
Ikutos. I don't believe, but Equitos, I still have my doubts.
Ha. What type of doubt do you need again? What is so clear? You say you need doubt. What doubt do you need?
Equitos, wait. Does it mean if the thunder strike, they are evil?
Even an understatement though. Because when I that thing where I do that and when I class, I don't know if it die, I die or class, die class. Where I come day, where I come see myself, I see myself where bunch of dogs day. No be one, no be two dog, no be three. There are a bunch of dog. Like I was so traumatized. Sir,
talk straight.
So I was so traumatized. Yeah. So I was saying, who is this? What am I doing in presence of dogs? They do not bite me, oh. So the two come they talk. Come they follow me talk. Two dog. Come they follow me talk. You know the talking is not. They come they follow me. They talk. Me I come.
Equitos.
Ma.
Dog.
Yes.
Talk like human being.
I'm not gonna lie for you. So the two come they tell me say they go. Me I come the day. But mama, I come they suspect say na my two sisters be that thing. Because they talk like human being.
Equitos.
Ma?
Equitos.
Ma?
When we want to discuss something important, you begin to bring on this plain thing. It's just your problem. Equitos.
Ma?
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Nah.
Dogs are talking like human beings. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, is it you that saw what I saw? The saw is it your saw? I tell you what I saw. You're telling me, is it I'm telling you what I saw in my eyes, in my koro 2 eyes. And they tell you what I saw. They tell me, am I saw the word I saw?
So what do we do?
Mama, Mama, what we do now? It's not about that medical thing where you talk. You go do medical checkup or medical this thing. Mama, this thing is spiritual something. You na mother. You supposed look spiritual eyes. Me, we saw what I saw. I saw what I saw by the dog talking to me. It's a spiritual problem. So you need to go to a spiritual suggestion.
Equitas.
Not ma.
Idadu.
Can I tell you? The thing made me so traumatized. So trust me. I was so trust me in my heart.
She said nobody, she no see your face. Wahala, she know they find. If you carry young come, she go drop and like chim chim. Oh, now who band this pikino? Ekutasi, joy boy.
Take a chip, use it and take a chip. Wetin be that? Wetin Ekwu tell you?
Equitas. Ekwu say we should wait. He said we should not rush things. That if we rush things, we will lose both of them.
Nah, Emma. Ekwu no sabi wetin they do. But nevertheless, he himself a good person. You get person where you go be now, you go collect money, put am for bag, come do you Jajanji, Chakanji, boo story, boo, Chajan boo story, Chajan boo story. Sure, you do what you do.
We are waiting. Ekwu knows what he's doing. So let us wait, let us give him time. Let us wait so that things will take place normally. I don't want to lose them.
Ma, I don't understand though. How? You don't want to lose them as in how?
He said if we do anything, we will lose them. So I don't want to. And he even said that you are very lucky. He said you are very, very lucky. If not, those dogs will have eaten you up. Hey! The only luck you had was that because you love these children and you always fight for them. If not, fiam, they will have taken you.
I talk her. Now this thing why they tell you. Because you cannot be telling me what I saw. The saw I saw is not your saw. The saw is my saw. Because I saw the thing clearly in my eyes. You understand? The dog was calling. The dog was plenty. And dog was talking. I was so yes, traumatized. Mommy, you got school. I was so traumatized. Because what I saw is so scary and dangerous. A dog talking.
Like human being.
Like human being. A dog talking. Talking. Go. They did not bite me.
They were asking you to go.
Go. But when I tell you what I saw, you are so in my eyes and be calling me that I don't know what I saw. Me, Equitos. Waiting you name me. No be Equitos. Equitos. I talk waiting I see. I no fit talk waiting I no see. And I tell you what I saw. You say the saw I saw is not a saw. What is that? Aye. This is so emphasizing and so booking. We will look towards this.
Equitas.
Ma? Yes. Because the saw I saw was so fishy. The fish, a dog, talking. And I telling my mother what I saw. My mother say what I saw is not the saw I saw. Will you tell me the saw me saw in the saw? Okay, miss. We look towards this too. We look fashion. We look fashion.
Go mafia mo, go na mafia mo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Go na mafia mo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Go na mafia mo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Go no mafia mo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafia mo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafia. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Better things in a God to give a more. Better things in a God to give a more. Mani kiligi de kwa yoli mamo. Iba makafia. Ikiligi da yoli mamo. Iba makafia. Ikiligi da yoli mamo. Iba makafia. Abu mumeruwa. Abura mumeruwa o. Onya buna gonu mafia. Abu mumeruwa, abura mumeruwa o, onya bona gonu mafia. Abu mumeruwa, abura mumeruwa o, onya bona gonu mafia. Gonu mafia, aputa go mafia mu. Go na fiamo, go na fiamo. Nawe puze go we go lonely. Go na fiamo, nawe puze go we go lonely. Go no mafiamo, nawe puze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafiamo, nawe puze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafia, nawe puze go we go lonely. Better things in a God to give a more. Better things in a God to give a more. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia. Abu mumeruwa, abura mumeruwa o. Onya buna gonu mafia. Abu mumeruwa. Abura mumeluwa o, onya bona gonu mafia. Abu mumeluwa, abura mumeluwa o, onya bona gonu mafia.
Of the matter be say, Ekwu, whether you like it or not, so these people are your sisters. You understand? No go deny the fact. So waiting at the reason you now as your person be say, if you reach house, reason with your commis. Una join hands together and know whether una go sell 1 or 2 lands. You understand? So una go fit do surgery. What was the nothing else?
Exactly what I talked before. I don't reason this thing, check and balance. I'm purely because now, my lord. You see those girls like this for your family as the day, as the mantle for your papa house. You see as the day, eh? They will give you bad luck. Nobody will enter there we go like to do anything with you now for the house. You don't know.
Prevent us in how?
Get when Kebupo Onya, or when you fatigue okay, on when you merchant. Prevent us in no way did you look now. If any man come to you now, Kunu may what I go, the man will leave you and go. Because what you go see no make sense.
Wait, but the good yard, as you see me so now, go no say I gallant. Me na sweet girl, me na fine girl. So I know the big man. Open na the man actually bia no momo ya. Ona awa. Awa blue nke you suppose.
Awa get wetin dey work yourself.
No, make it the wrong mouth.
You never yourself. You don't want to marry.
Make it the wrong mouth.
Okay, because your youthful age now don't dey sweet you. Marry say now wait time dey.
Abi?
Because your useful age now don't dey sweet
you.
You get time where you go reach now self, you no go see husband.
You go
old. They waka dey go every church where you see. No carry my picture go anywhere. If you don't look for man, I am concerned.
We are concerned. We are concerned. Come on down.
Concerned for what?
You must marry.
Not
for you.
You people will not force me. Una actually to do my kind of.
Not for you. Oh yeah, like this nigga says. Come on down.
Una actually from Diaba.
I go walk you. I go choke you. What's it?
It's come here.
Here. Oh, what goes to do?
Oh, but it's come here.
Hey. Hey!
Oh, nobody want to call me here. Where were you? 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 Where were you?
Okay, I'm mad at you. No, because I keep quiet. I go head to you. I'll give you a head here.
Obodo.
You want to call me here?
Mama! Mama! Mama!
So the money you sold, you cannot find it. Eh? Everything like that.
Everything like that.
Mama, especially the one I put on top of your bed.
With your own too. So, everything.
I have suffered. Attention. Just stand there. Give it to me.
Mama, waiting me that.
Give it to me. Mama, waiting they give the money these children sold. Give the money to me.
Mama, no.
Keep quiet. Hey, Mama, are you okay? Mama, you want me to kill you? Mama, I'm asking you. Do you want me to kill you? Give me the money.
I want to be Momo.
Give me the money.
Mama, I don't have any money.
Give me the money. I will kill you.
Mama, I've used that money. Jesus, Mama.
Jesus.
Yeah, Mama.
You have used the money.
Yeah, Mama.
You will not eat in this house again.
Mama, you want to pay boom?
Get out.
Mama, you want to pay boom? Mama, you want to pay boom?
Don't worry.
Mama, you want to pay boom? Mama, you want to pay boom?
Sister, this is where you do no good. You know good. I said, but once I finish, you go chop everything. You don't mind. You know what we suffer under that song. I don't like this thing, no. I don't like I'm to the walk, back on the chop. I don't like I'm. I don't like I'm. You know sharp.
You don't like what?
In this compound?
Flourish. Were you sleeping?
I don't understand. I saw dogs in the sitting room just now. And they are very aggressive.
Dogs?
They are sitting here.
So where are the dogs?
They were sitting here. I saw them.
If they were here, so where are the dogs? Joyce,
Yes, my princess.
let's go back to what we're doing.
Is it possible for her to say she saw dogs without seeing them? That witch, that little witch, she might have seen spiritual dogs.
Are you sure?
You see this thing, the king shouldn't take it as a joke. Mysterious things have been happening in this palace long before now. For me, I would suggest he look into this issue and know where it's coming from.
I told the princess to tell the king, but she refused that the king does not have that kind of time.
But frankly speaking, that girl knows what she saw. But because she's a little girl, nobody will pay attention.
That girl looks like Ogbanje. Yes! That girl looks like Ogbanje, though I'm not doubting that she did not see dogs. But, you know when Ogbanje spirit is involved. That's one of those things.
The princess thinks she's dreaming. Well, I don't know what to do. She believes blurry.
Nsobu.
What do we do now? Me, I don't think this is a dream anymore. Something spiritual is going on in this house.
I saw them here. Was I dreaming? No. I wasn't dreaming because I know what I saw. Well, Sister Fina wouldn't believe me. I need to tell Father and Mother about this. I need to tell them immediately.
no, mommy. Ka. The very adult. Without Kato now. Kapa. Only one queen, Elisa. In the big little one. Hi. Mommy, da. You know my son, but our Lolo, princess, Akweke, Jolo. Hey, whatever. Oh, hey. You're welcome, my dear. Yeah. Please, let's go. You're welcome. Hey, see that. Hey, Alpha. No, the talk. It go for. I'm gonna say they're not the year. Alpha. Neko ne shika pamu. Mugo. Unga kukata ba unga shi. Princess of Africa. Katikla. Hey, Jesus. Okwata boom, Jesus. Hey, princess. Leave the clothes. Thank you. Wait us, ma. Yeah. Mommy, the Queen of England by month's end. I'm going to Paris. It's gonna be a shutdown. She should not come. Let the madness remain here with me. Biko. Yeah.
Not to worry yourself. I will handle her madness when she comes to the palace. Trust me.
You can do that?
Yes. After she visited, both of you will now come, okay?
No, mommy. I'm gonna, you know, a lot of my come by. I'm the person nation. They're sharing me. They are sharing me. And yet, you know why I never paid off. You know that's fine. Let's see who can. Okay, go. Hey,
Hi. Exactly why I do not want her to come to the palace. Please, if you ask me, because let this disgrace remain here with me, Biko. I'm begging you. No problem.
All right. I'll be leaving now.
Yes.
Take care of you. Let me take care of you.
Send me where to eat.
Bye. All right.
Take care of yourself, okay?
And you too. Bye.
I will. Bye-bye, oh.
Maybe this thing should always get high. I know. Me gusta mucho. Coconut. Yeah. That is. Hey, this game is something. Don't like. But this is not the shit they put for inside my. Work.
Then I'm play 5 and 6. I too they play. Oh. Hey. Jesus. Jesus. Hey! What's that one boy? Money. Hand. What are this? Hey! Hey! This is not take Igbo. My Igbo na go kore. Hey! Oh, Jesus! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okoso, okwala ka umwanze na kwasi. Okwana ala. Don't catch him. Don't catch him.
Leave me.
Hey, mama! My sister, no one. Mama, don't catch him. Baby. Baby, catch. Baby, catch. Help! Help! My shoulders. Come on, one day. Baby, come. Baby,
she know they find if you carry and come, she go drop and like chin.
Catch him. Catch him. Yes. Catch him together. Yes. Hey! Yes, catch him. Are you stupid? What is wrong with you? Are you okay? How many times have I warned you? How many times have I warned you? Eh? Equitos. How many times have I wanted to stop smoking Igbo? 200 times, Mama. 200 times? Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. You answering me, yes, Mama? Yes, Mama. And you? The two of you? Who light it? Eh? Who put fire on it?
No, we use. I let, but now you smoke first. They mad. Which one do you say now me light them? Why you call the point? You smoke first now. I smoke, I'll give you. You not smoke them. You not enjoy them.
Eh? You put fire and she smoke first. Have I not warned you not to be playing with that thing? I've warned you. Okay, so when you took it, what happened to you?
My head just done. I can't feel like say I be fly. Say I can fly.
You can fly?
Me, I see God one-on-one. Me and God can't talk.
Your head done. Ifria, have you seen it? Have you seen the kind of life you are living? Mama. You're not. You see, Mama. You're not initiating my children into it. Oh, this is the kind of life you want to be living. No. And do you think this is the kind of life you want to emulate? No. Very good. You, Akwagi, the two of you wait for me. I just sleep here. No be sleep, I just sleep when you quit for call. No be me carry it. No be me carry the.
Mama,
I just sleep.
Now she teach us how to go on. She said do it like this.
Mama, I just sleep. They shouldn't carry these things. Smoke. Mama, how can I teach him? Is it not me my teach myself? This person teach himself. How this teacher would? We have been a teacher of everybody.
I'm not a teacher of everybody. I'm a teacher of my own.
Are you okay?
No, ma. No. Yes, mama.
Yes, mama. Are you alright? Look at what kind of life are you living, Ekutos? Look at you. Different color from your head down. You have red. I don't know. What this one is rainbow. I don't. Quit your see.
Yes, mama.
Look at your head. This is the kind of life you want to live.
No, mama.
So you people want to live this kind of life?
Mama, sorry.
You want to live this kind of life? This skin is even too small. People should wait for me. Male. 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 No, wait for me. Where are you running?
Male, I know the law.
Okay.
I'm obedient. See, they don't even carry the care around. I'm very, very obedient, Male.
Carry the share back.
I'm sorry.
Ekutos, carry the share back. Carry the share back.
Mama, the next tomorrow I will travel.
Carry the share back. Why you keep? Don't come back here. The two of you should not come back to this house. Don't come back. Just go and finish your Igbo life there. Follow them.
The next tomorrow I will travel.
Follow them. Leave my house. Follow them.
The next tomorrow I will travel to Palace. So, as you don't trust us now, make only you the leave.
Hey God, what have I done? Why this one?
Where I'm gonna
Relax, I'm gonna wine for you.
I don't like people looking at me. Turn. See?
Run. Your name is.
You have entered.
No, you don't add juju now.
I too much. When I tell you say me na Baba came, you know they hear. Me na.
Watch out, fear. Ozubo, 1 key.
You don't feel do one.
1 key.
See, make I show you. Now I show you. Now because you don't look me. My juju they walk.
You know Sabi me.
Wait. Look me again. Turn and look. See. Me na bad in the game. How can? See, but where you buy am?
Now this junction now.
This junction.
That woman where they said that granite they never.
Hey. You know carry Igbo?
Nah. Okay.
How many times have I told you not to step your feet into this compound?
Mabuto. Every time, if my friend come here, you gonna harass them. You gonna shout for them. I don't understand. I should not get friend or what? What's happening here? Mama, she's gonna. Mama, he's not going to pour anywhere. He's not going to pour anywhere. I don't understand.
Last when do you go day? Okay, I go day match. No be say.
Wait, go about school. And I was not my mother who like that. Now 1 year.
But the last time, I
Mama, I don't like that thing, you know. I don't like this thing. What you do? Mama, you're gonna die. Mama, you're gonna die here. Mama, you're gonna die.
Are you okay?
You're gonna die.
No,
you are not okay, you.
I'm asking
Mama,
you.
you're okay. You are. Jesus, you woo. Let's woo again. Mama, what's happening? This is why you're excuse your face. This was the problem. Is it because I'm traveling?
Yes. Because if you misbehave there, the king will punish you.
Mama, misbehave as in how?
Ekutos, that man's word is law. If he says bury Ekutos, they will bury you. If he says burn her, they will burn you. Your sister cannot even save you.
That kind of thing no fee so. You understand? Na palace they go. I know they go village square go fight. They go this place palace. So she lasts. You understand? She lasts for me. I'm gonna make you proud.
You will make me proud.
Yes, Mama.
I miss you.
I miss you guys. I don't give you a number now. Anybody will look for a trouble, call me. Can't hear ya lose booze women says good dear. Ngeshina palace apta. Konya duka.
Just thank you so much.
I love you guys.
We love you more.
Just stay focused and stay safe. Oh?
Okay.
Wow.
na the ghost.
What be that your name again?
What did they use my name do?
I want to know now. Make I know what I will call you.
My name now Okutos Onyembu.
Okutos Onyembu, welcome.
Can't get one in the mat. Who they call Onyembu? The Onyembu in the name be your name. In the mat. And they talk. They shine. They shakri. Who they shakri?
Ha! You never even come. You don't start to the cost person. You never come. They cost me.
I don't blame you. My sister, you the house.
You sit at the house.
You the house.
You never come.
You never come here.
Who are you and what are you doing in my palace?
When I came to see my sister.
Hold on. Are you normal? No, is it our king you're referring to as your sister?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, His Royal Majesty. Much. What's that thing they say? What's that thing they used to call person? I'm sorry, much. I'm sorry, sir. Don't vex. It's settled.
Who is your sister?
Queen Eliza now. No, me, his sister.
Oh. Majesty. Oh. Are you Janet's daughter?
Bagam. Omuna. Omu Ekutos nwa mama. I don't know.
Next time you are coming to my palace, do not dress like this.
It's over.
I want you to take note of that. Okay?
It's over. A big. Ta! Material! Clever, listen. Papa, you got it, that. Come on, perfume.
Listen.
Make way. Aye. The royal onion sauce, the chief priest, the highness, the crowness, the pratter. I greet you, sir. Thank you, my Royal Majesty.
Guards!
Where the room there? Now they go.
What are you asking me?
Rex, who is that girl?
You mean that tomboy will just come now?
Yeah. What is she doing here?
We used to go to her house with the queen now, you don't forget.
Yes. What's that her name?
Ekwu Mama.
I do like that girl. She get vibes, man. She makes my head swell up. Look at the way she was just walking. I want to be her friend.
I like her too, but she doesn't have respect.
I better go, Joe. What do we need her respect for? Me, I like that girl.
Me, I'm a man, and men will like.
I better carry your man, go one side. I like that girl. I want to be her friend. I like her too. She was just walking. Oh, she gets swag.
Cool.
She gets swag.
Nwa bịala ụwa na mmụ na-ebe n'ụrịa bịakwa nụrụ onume bịanụ nụrụ onume bịakwa nụrụ onume nwa bịala ụwa na mmụ na-ebe n'ụrịa bịakwa nụrụ onume ife arụmụ chọrọ bụ ngọzi 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 buy my market onye mụrụ nwa ọkwa mmadụ mụrụ nwa nwa pụtago n'elu ụwa taba afụfụ ụwa agagharịba onye furu mụ na ngwa afịa m gonu m afịa onye furu mụ na ngwa afịa m gonu m afịa ka m wefuzi ego wee lie nri ka m wefuzi ego wee lie nri bịakwanụrụ onume nwa bịala ụwa na mmụ na-ebe ụrịa bịakwanụrụ onume nwa bịala ụwa na mmụ na-ebe ụrịa bịakwanụrụ onume ife arụ m chọrọ bụ ngozi 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 buy my market buy my market go market go market buy my market buy my market ife arụ m chọrọ bụ ngozi ife arụ m chọrọ bụ ngozi better things in a God to give a more. Better things in a God to give a more. Mani ikiligide kwa yoli mamo, iba makafia. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia. Abumu meruwa, aburamu meruwa o. Onya buna gonu mafia. Abumu meruwa, aburamu meruwa o. Onya buna gonu mafia. Abumu meruwa, aburamu meruwa o. Onya buna gonu mafia. Go mafia mo, go na fia mo, go na fia mo. Kanwe fuze go we go lonely. Go na fia mo, kanwe fuze go we go lonely. Go no mafia mo, kanwe fuze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafia mo, kanwe fuze go we go lonely. Ya go no mafia, kanwe fuze go we go lonely. Better things in a God to give a more. Better things in a God to give a more. Ikiligida yoli mamo, iba makafia.
Hey! Hey! Come here.
Hey, come here. Who is here? Come here. You rat, come here. The mad, who are you? Same here you come. Small rat. Hey, you come. As in of what? Who are you?
And who are you? What are you doing here?
They tell me who am I? Who are me? Who are you two? Are you who are this person telling me who I am?
Who the hell is she? I wouldn't know.
Do you say who is she? Where enemy?
Who the hell are you?
Jesus. You're calling me Okomo? That is, you're calling me from a pit of hell. That's what they're calling me. Look at this babash. Who are you? You classroom of what? You are calling me. Me. You're telling me who I am. You are telling me where I am.
Don't touch me.
Guys! They say guys. Like Tolo. Look at this person. You're mad. So what should I don't have like me? Who I am? You come here. Obo. Mugu everywhere. You stop like they call you, you can open the close. Look at this small children. Look at this small children asking me who are me.
Leave me. Calm down. Come and fight. Come now. Leave me. Calm down. You want to fight? Leave me. You want to fight? I will tell you. See what happened? I did. Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you mad? You bastard! Are you okay? Oh. Okay. Okay, yes. Are you bastard? Bastard, Abi? What bastard, Abi? What bastard? You are the one that is bastard. The woman is bastard. The woman is bastard. Go home and ask that woman that you call your mother where you come from. You fool. Leave me. Come. Leave me. I will deal with you. Amuma, leave me. Please don't mind her. You guys are not informed because I can't. Leave me. Calm down now. Amuma, you guys are not bastards. Please don't mind her. It's not. Where they go now? You can't leave me. We can't keep this one. You can't fight to run.
That was harsh. I just feel you should not be the one to tell them.
I don't care. Let them know it from now.
Baby, I'm afraid though.
Afraid of what?
That they may ask their mother when they got home.
And so? I don't care. Let them go home and ask that woman they called their mother how they were born and who born them.
Baby, I just feel you should not be the one to tell them.
Hey, please. Are you ready to go? Because I'm going to leave you here. Okay?
You don't used to listen to somebody. I don't understand. Ha.
Mama, what's the problem? Why your face is like this? What's happening?
Mama. Sit down first.
I should sit down. Okay.
Mama. I want to ask you something.
Go ahead, I'm listening to you.
Who are we?
You are my children.
Are we bastards?
You see?
Mama, that's not the question. Mama, did you pick us from the gutter?
Stupid question, I will shut up.
Mama, we are not here for any other talk. Just go straight to the point and answer the damn question. Are we bastards?
Who is feeding you with this nonsense? Who is the person telling you all this rubbish? How can you be bastards? Where are you getting this story from? I'm asking you people. Where did you get it? Whoever told you that? You're looking at me. You're asking me if you're a bastard. You're asking if I picked you from the gutter. Who said that to you?
What is it? Don't you have table manners? Are you untrained? Don't talk while I am eating.
Stop! What's this now?
Equitos!
No. Will you shut it? Are you aware that I'm here?
Enjoyment there for you. Hey! Oh, stop!
I don't want her in the same table with me next time when I'm eating.
Did you hear him? Ekwu, did you hear my king? Did you hear him?
Yes, I hear the king. Yes.
Very good. You are even lucky. I saw you here. Yes.
Good morning.
I'm just coming from your place now.
For my place?
Yes.
It's just everywhere clear.
Everywhere no clear because I came to see your sister and your mother. And there's nobody there. So warn your sister and your mother.
What's up now? What's play? What's they talk?
Why my blood not go hot? Your sister is calling my children bastard. I don't know how she know that they are bastard.
Ebere.
Yes.
They call your children bastards.
Yes.
How? You sure say na wetin she talk?
That is what they said. Will my children lie to me?
Hey, Mama, calm down.
No, it is because it's your mother. If I will not take it from another person, they should not try it again. Next time they try, they will know themselves.
Mama, calm down now. Make I escort you go where they go.
To calm down. I'm just telling you now.
Wow. Which kind of thing they play like this? But why Ebere go talk this kind of thing now? They call it picking bastard. That one did. Even though, anyway, you get why she.
The tomboy asked you to kneel down?
Yes.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Nothing. You did nothing?
Nothing.
Why? Okwi toss or whatever you call yourself.
Why did you ask the ladies to kneel down? Now me tell them make them kneel down.
Why?
You're asking me why? I don't understand. Why me?
You should have a reason, right? So why did you ask them to kneel down?
Because I said them to kneel down. Please get up.
Listen and listen very good. This should be the very first and last time you will punish any maiden in this community. Am I understood?
If you talk this thing when you talk, if this thing touch me again, if this thing touch me, I'll return you radical. You the mad. Come here, they shout. Make I they fear you. Who are you?
Idiots.
If they walk they come out. If they take everybody get up. Everybody get up and go in your chamber. You don't know what they do. They don't know what they do. They tell them real down.
What did they do?
If they ask me what...
Didn't I ask you, what did they do? Listen, whatever they did, you do not have any right to punish the maiden of this palace because you are a commoner. Yes!
Jesus, do you call me a commander?
Of course you're a commoner.
Like me, a commander. Do you know who am I?
Who the heck are you?
She they call Sozo. Who the heck am I? There's Abuzima Ako. You're giving me the flabbergasted in my life. Do you know who am I? My auntie is the ruler of Onyenso and a lolo of queen of England. And you stand in direct of your side be asking me where can I? Because you are carrying a bead and you're because I'm not dressing the loyalty of myself. You're here hacking me. You're here hacking me.
You're just a stupid fool.
You a sticky fool. You a sticky fool.
What did you say?
Sticky fool.
Did you just call me a fool?
I called you a fool.
You called me a fool?
Yes.
You called the crown princess of this land a fool?
You cannot do anything.
That!
Touch me. Punish this girl. Just come on the metal mark. Touch me like this. Touch me. Touch me now. Oh yeah. It's only wearing keki. Metal mark. Metal mark.
I can't wait to go back to school. The whole scenario in this house is so frustrating. I'm hungry. Clara! Clara!
Yes, my princess.
Greetings, my princess. I want you to serve us food. The two of us alone. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Do it now!
Yes.
Flourish. Flourish, my love. Flourish. You now flourish everywhere. Flourish the fine girl. Flourish the swish. Mwah.
Hey, please.
Flourish.
Hey, please. Point of correction. It's not flourish or be for whatever you're calling it.
Fun.
My name is Flourish. Or rather, you can call me Princess Flourish.
Okay. But you know the year, but now fun now there. So what did they say? I hear when they say you want food. Do you call it my name? Do you point my food? Do you my food is the point of the collection of the people? Do you point me in the food?
Clara!
Oh, my friend.
Why are you so dull? Why are you behaving like that?
Yes. Why are you mad? Why are you mad?
Stop. Bring the food to my room. Let's go inside.
Okay. Clara, what's... Flourish!
Flora?
Flourish! What's problem?
Who is he claiming for? Who is the call? Is the man? Because I'm come here. I call you flourish. Who is the floor? You were the first toilet. Now why they call you flourish? For just now there. For cut chop next to wait. Ndalaba. See now. Ndimbu. Neva. Come here.
Mama de mama.
Nami.
Ekwu inwe mama. Ekwu toss the Ekwu toss.
I sit down, you sit down. Like Obo. You dey mad? You don't know my sister is married to Wunye Onyenso. My brother Onyenso, my Igwe Onyenso. You dey mad? What do they do there, please? Una no dey take baraburu.
Baraburu kwa. Baraburu.
So una no know wetin be baraburu.
Wetin be baraburu? How they think they dey now?
How they think they dey? Now why they call una mugu? Now why they call una obo? Because una dey nonchalant. So
This is that where the king is taking his drinks. Move your leg before we go.
So they mad. Do you know without me be in this place now, everything will scatter. My sister is married in the Igwe Onyenso in Ebanako. So as I was talking before, the cockroach interrupted my interview. So Baraburu is like a dry leaf. You understand? A dry leaf. You can smoke it. You can cook it in the food you are shopping, like indomie, rice. You understand? Then you can shore it as shrew. You understand? That is called Baraburu. Me, I dey like my own by smoking way. You understand? It go make your head. It's called Baraburu.
Now you won't be that now. Now you won't.
You go na past tense. What I'm saying is about the present particular present tense. That's what I'm talking about. So it's called Afia or Baraburu.
Afia kwa? oh. You talk say the thing go make you reason well. How the thing go make you reason well? The thing even do you. I just see your eye there like okoroko head where they want put for stew. The thing go make your eye ain't go come out.
Calm down. You don't go. Maybe I can move. Must hear you the die. Very cool.
This is just a shy like okoroko where they want put for stew. Let me go start to
Alpha!
I did. This are wait. You see come find for kitchen.
You don't cook before. You will say your food sweet.
No. Who be onion soup?
They ask me onion soup be king. Small. You don't know what thing be this?
I don't know this one.
This thing now, warabulu.
Yes.
So carry this thing like this now. It nourish your body. It make your immune system get up.
You go sweet now. Now waiting at the fine.
It tastes good. You have good aromas.
I don't like lose this my position.
Just carry all of them like this. No remove only one. If you remove this like this, if you remove this could spoil. So they count it. You don't see it 1, 2, 3. So carry it like this and pour inside. Yeah.
Maybe you go chop.
I go yeah. Dude, that's fast.
There's something different about this meal. So delicious. I can't imagine.
This one is so nice.
Who performed this magic?
Clara.
Okay.
Clara, you know.
Making me eat like a baby.
So nice. Clara!
I don't know what it is. So appetizing.
What is happening? Everyday palaver. Is there any kingdom?
This brand is turning around.
What have I turned my life into this life? Hey! Oh! Everybody just the mad. What have I turned my life into in my life? Only small Igbo where una take. See as everybody just the color.
Even the king, the Kolo, the prince, everywhere, everybody, the parents guy, everybody does the Kolo. But what will I be in my life? Without, should I run? It's like I go wrong. Now what's be the best option? Just carry my bag, run before they catch me. Mana una be faster. You fasters. But then ala dia, obuna ala control, but one ala.
I believe I can fly,
Strange things I cannot explain.
What is this?
Now,
what is it?
This man, take this thing.
Oh, I'm working at this man. No, is it me you are referring to as this man? The Prime Minister, you know, the kingmaker of this land.
Wait, Assistant Onyenso, carry this thing. This thing na medicine. What did I say? What did I say?
Is it the Gary you are referring to as?
Yes, it's called a medicinal emotion. Use it and give it to the Igwe and the Rolo. May they use them cure themselves. This thing now waiting go cure them. So if you like, carry and go drink. You understand?
This is Gary.
It's called medicine in a practical way.
What one here? I hope it is not what I am thinking. Oh.
Wait, Assistant Onyenso, pass here. Which are you gonna add here? You're gonna pass here.
Hold on. Are you sure it is not the boy that is disturbing them?
I don't want you to interrupt my integrity. Don't interrupt my integrity. Carry this Gary and go and give it to Onyenso and his family. Wait, this man, what are you here by now? Come to come. What's that? Afana, we engage in a Assistant Onyenso. Assistant Onyenso. Wait, this man. Don't interrupt my promotion. Don't interrupt my promotion. Assistant Onyenso. Assistant Onyenso. Assistant Onyenso. Assistant Onyenso.
Who the cafe? Who the cafe?
Where's the cap now?
One must take it easy.
Papa, Assistant Onyenso. Assistant Onyenso.
Have you seen what it cost?
Who the car fit?
Where's the cap? Where's the cap?
Who the car?
Where's the cap?
Kiss me, my queen. Who the car fit?
You see, where's the cap? Wait.
You don't feel your leg.
Hey! Igwe, I have your leg.
What a coincidence.
I have your leg. Your leg is mine.
I'm not joking with you. I can't find my leg.
I said I have your
What
leg.
have you done to my kid?
Don't you trust me?
I can't find my leg.
Igwe.
Where is my leg?
Igwe. Your leg.
Where is my leg?
Igwe, I have your leg.
Where is my leg?
I have Igwe's leg. Igwe's leg is my leg. I have it. It's mine.
Let's go to the bedroom.
No, the leg is in the leg.
Okay.
Let's
The
go.
leg in the bedroom.
No, in the parlor.
Let's go and observe our conjugal
What have you done to my king? What have you done to my king?
Shut up. Shut up.
Come here.
Who told you she did something to her?
Yes.
Gossip.
Yes.
Can't you see I'm comfortable with my wife?
Yes. We are looking for legs.
Yes.
Who the
Igwe,
cow?
look for your leg. Look for your leg. Igwe. Oh.
Who the cow? Please. Shut up.
Yes.
Better. Let's go to the bedroom.
Find your leg.
And enjoy our conjugal life.
Yes.
Nkuri.
Igwe.
Anama Nkuri.
I handle you.
I'm going to go judge you now. Look at what you are.
If I handle you. Doctor, you're here.
Greetings. Welcome. That is the problem. As I speak to you, the king, Lolo, are lying hopelessly. I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Nah, sister Tonyo and Sosef, you two they do. No be you why they tell say they don't drink this garri. These things, where you people they do, they call doctor. If they call doctor for where person go drink garri, go inside the ear. Carry doctor come, doctor wey no wear shoe. They carry and come here.
What kind of human being is this?
I am human being of all people. What is that? Democracy. Do you know what is democracy?
Please, I'm sorry, doctor. Ignore all this. Kindly follow me so you can attend to them immediately. Please, come with me. Come with me, doctor.
Hey, about pass English. English, you don't even complete it. Everybody, just the man.
Young man, if you don't take time, Nkwagibi.
Hey,
Tubagi mamu.
Ewo.
Dalaku kwa kese gidi.
Aku kanta. Everybody. Make I dey fear una. Make I dey fear. No be Igbo wey me my cartel dey chop like food. In the morning we go chop Igbo. Now only small one put. I no buy. Suppose I carry jumbo now put. Now so everybody go just pull it.
So do you think Ebere was right? I don't think so. Because they do me say she get hit. She get hit, right? This is exactly what I'm thinking. Exactly. So what will we go do now? I don't know. I'm as confused as you are. I know that Mama will not even tell us the truth. Just come meet her. Ask her. Me too. No. No. We need to do our findings ourselves. We need to do something. Okay, we need to think. Let's think. Let's think. Think. Let's think. You they come out. Now you carry the matter for your head. Oh. Let's think. The matter come out. Number one, me go think.
I am going to be lenient with my judgments. For obvious reason, your auntie pleaded on your behalf. My queen.
My king.
Oh no!
Your Majesty.
This is my judgment.
Go ahead.
From this day, you are banned from this community. Any day you step your foot into this community, you shall be buried alive. That is our custom and tradition. And I uphold that custom and tradition. I have spoken.
She's coming. But remember, you promised you're not going to fight with her. Yes, sir. Far from that, far from that. Okay. Why are you calling me? Adele, we did not call you out here for fights. We're not in for any violence, okay? Let's go to the plan. I want to verify something from you. That thing you said about us, how did you come about it? Like, did someone tell you, or did you form it on your own?
I heard it from my mother. It is not a new news in our village. Or don't you know?
I know. But even if you are aware now, I suggest you should just forget about it and move on. Your mother loves you and she's taking good care of you. See you guys later.
Jesus! Jesus! Amama! Amama, no! Hey! Don't do it.
You think we are joking?
No, you are not. Pick up. Don't do it, please. Please don't do it.
You think we are joking?
No, I know you are not joking.
I'll start talking.
I will talk. Pick up, I will talk. Hey, don't do it, oh! Don't do it, pick up, don't do it. Don't raise the knife at all. Pick up, I beg you. Hey, I will talk now. But wait, Amama. Hey, I will talk, but please, I want to beg you. Would you promise me that if I tell you anything? Hey, Mama, don't do it now, don't do it. I will talk. But wait, do you promise me that you will not leave me?
Promise you talk.
I will talk. Hey, Mama, I will talk. Which one be 500? Not be 200. From here you carry me come.
No, it's not say able to cost now. What if you 500 now? 500 not be my.
If you know one collect am, you do that.
If you no give me my money, just hold on. I may go now. What you give me another one?
Man, anger wey dey for my body now.
You good am must spoil the now. If you no give me my money, I come up for here now. Oh yeah, calm down. Collect 200. Now my guy. Not you carry us now. Abeg oga. Relax, yeah. You never reach like that. 200 now. No, let them come out now.
You know they collect 200. Okay, why here? You know they collect 200.
Wait till the
see this man.
Oh, you know the first oh, because that we can't talk.
Okay.
Because we can't talk. What you go carry? What you go carry? Because that we can't talk. Give me now. Check your gun.
Nne mama. Kama kafia. Ai nazo. Keki mbere. Ụmụ gị kwanụ. Ojewe akwụkwọ. Ọ na-azụkwa? Kai now I will very. Hey! Jesus.
Good morning.
Don't surprise them. Who are you people?
I'm Mama. Everywhere. Sorry, ma. Sorry for interruption. I just want to ask if you know Escalating Palace.
Escalating Palace. Ah, wonderful. Just pass like this. If you reach that junction, go like this. You will see Escalating Palace.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Hey. What's in your hand?
Ma, nothing, no.
Equitos.
Ma?
What is in your hand?
What is in my hand?
Now let me ask you the question again.
Ma, what is in my hand?
Bring the hand out.
Just that my discretion is...
Equitos, if I blow you, bring that hand out of that place.
Ma, nothing did this hand. I go die for you. Nothing did this hand. Just my waist is paining. Yeah, it's paining.
Look at us.
Ma.
What were you even thinking? When you were leaving there, what did I tell you? You were not scared, Equitos. You went and put it into the Igwe's food. Okay? You are very lucky you came back with your head on your shoulders. You are lucky that my sister Eliza is there. By now, you have been a dead human being.
Nah, okay, Miss Putu na. Mother kapatala but now I come came in the palace. They talk the one they do me in the palace. You come here, they yam for my head. What don't happen, don't happen. What don't happen, don't happen. I don't say I'm sorry. I am sorry. What happen, don't happen. No they pala for me. Pipe low, calm down. No they jiggy. Heavy for me here.
Amuma!
Kekwe keba amwa. Amwa na bofa. Na this amwa. This amwa is the more them. That way they behave spiritual. They call them amuma. You don't know their name again.
I don't want to call them that name when they call them. Amuma! Where are the children?
It doesn't want to teach them. Be calling them. Let them be spiritually they go. Be calling them. Let them be spiritually they go. Now you the cause of these things that happen in this life. Be a mother for a mother. Don't be a mother of spiritual. What's that? What's messing me? Let's see this thing. Is it not that name is Honey and when waiting be that waiting be that when
call it now. Honey ham. Call it.
I know it now. Not be me they call them.
What is
not be me they call them.
What are you naming? Call it.
You when they call them Amuma, you know sabi their name. Ma, hi, shout. My waist pain. My waist, ma.
Stand up.
Stand up for what?
Equitos, stand up.
Oh, I tell you said they get dislocation in my back.
Does not stop you from standing up. Equitos, if I blow you, stand up. Stand up from where you're sitting. Stand, I want to see you straight up. Equitos, don't try me.
Ma, don't do good.
to see the king.
You want to see the king and you want to see your sister?
Okay, we won't see the king.
Go back. Very good. You want to see your mama, not to see the king. Remove your leg. Let me tell the king you are here to see.
Please be fast about it. Be fast, oh.
Children.
Yes.
Are you looking for them?
Yes, I'm looking for them.
No.
You see,
No, they're not.
they did not come here. Yeah? Is it that they found their way to Iziani? Yeah!
I'm sorry, my king. It all started.
Queen Mother, she's in labor.
Queen Mother in labor? Are you for real?
The Queen Mother in labor.
Guards! Guards! Go immediately and get a cab. Quickly, quickly.
Hello? Yeah, Doc? Hello? It's okay, it's okay. Hello, doctor? For real? It's alright. I'll be there as soon as possible. Okay? Okay. God! Gods of our land. What have I done to pass through this? What?
Bow before you, my king.
Fetch me Oluebube. this king of this kingdom for the several seasons unknown. It's my turn to be disgraced. It's practically impossible. It's not impossible. It's not possible.
What is it, Your Majesty?
No. What is it? Is that the doctor?
What is it, Your Majesty? What?
The doctor said that the Queen Mother must deliver through cesarean operation.
No! No. Not in our land. Cannot be.
Fetch me Ezamo immediately.
Let me fetch the Ezamo. No!
I can't stand to be disgraced. Not in my reign! No! Not in my reign.
Honestly, I don't know. The king asked me to fetch Onowu for him. But the look of things, something is not right.
Hey! Ah! This is obvious. Yes, it is! Gods of our land, please do not allow anything to happen to our queen.
I'm suspecting something.
Ah, Paul, what?
Could it be she delivered a dead child?
May the gods forbid! Ah!
I disagree with you. Does it mean that she did not make it?
Wash your mouth. This your mouth will definitely put you in trouble one day.
What trouble? Didn't she just say that maybe the queen delivered a dead child?
Leave this madman. Let's think.
I don't like what is happening. I don't like it.
Okay. I called you this day to consult with the gods. Sacrilege! Evil is about to happen in my kingdom.
What is the matter, my king?
The Queen Mother is saying that she's going to deliver, according to the doctor, through cesarean operation.
Never! Not in Asian kingdom. No doctor of Asian has ever delivered through CS. Not even the Queen Mother. Ndị na-edekwa ọgụ, anyị ya ejekwa ọgụ. Akwụcha nọ n'igu, anyị ya adị ya ahụ. Na-eje nye eje. Mbanụ. Mbanụ. Asị m na ya eme chachari. Ndị ka a na-efu.
Princess looks so settled.
Maybe the queen has put to bed.
Ah, God of Ezeani, I pray you grant her mercy.
He will, after so many years of childlessness.
Let's go and check her.
eziokwu nke a kwa adịchi n'ime n'okwu gbọbụrụ kụzigharị igwe. First of all, she's carrying twins.
What?
But the message is not clear. She cannot give birth to them normally, except through CS.
Igwe, those children are not human beings.
If they are not humans, then what are they?
They are dogs.
What did you just say?
No, Kare, I'm coming. The messages are not clear. It's like you are aliens. Like you said earlier, I advise you to reconsult the gods. Go deeper. Research them more. Find out the situation. Because it has never happened in the history of Eziani. No woman has ever given birth to animals. And it will not happen.
That is message from the gods. Like I said earlier, those children are dogs in human form and must not be brought into this palace. The gods have spoken.
Sacrilege! Nobody has delivered through Caesarea operation in Asia and the kingdom, not in my time and not in my reign. It's not possible. I uphold our cause.
Father, the custom and tradition of Asiani community were made by humans and can also be amended by humans.
No, what's going on? I saw the doctor driving outside. He'll be back shortly.
He will be back when? Someone is at the verge of death! That's what he told me. He said it won't take long. And moreover, without those things he went to get, the operation cannot be carried out.
What kind of problem? Huh?
Babies in mother's room at us.
I pretend like I didn't hear you. Peace. Are you sure this is coming from the Zemon's mouth?
Yes, I heard him clearly. I was eavesdropping at them since. That man that just left is a medical doctor. Were you not there?
I was here.
Some things are better kept within yourself.
Keep it within yourself. This might cost you your life, you know. So,
I don't understand. Am I the one that said that?
Keep it to yourself.
What is happening?
Don't worry, it's getting worse.
She's here. Oh, yes. Strange things are happening. Things we cannot explain. There's no prominence today.
Sweet. Sweet.
What is happening?
I beg of you, on no account will anyone find out that those kids are still alive. You know, it is an abomination for a woman to put to bed in this kingdom through cesarean section. It's called an abomination, and those kids are expected to be thrown into the evil forest. So please.
This time, that tradition is long gone. This is 24th century. What rubbish is this?
But they say more confirmed that they are not humans.
Okay, they are not humans. What are they? Animals. Now I'm asking you, you are crying. Animals are where?
He said that dogs. Children are dogs.
His children are dogs, not my own children. My children are not dogs. Just stop that tears right now. Do you understand? The ones you gave birth to are human beings. They are not animals. You know?
But please, don't let anyone see them. Please.
Don't worry. Trust me. Nobody is going to hear anything about them. But I want you to have it at the back of your mind that you gave birth to human beings and not animals.
Okay.
Did I make myself clear to you? Yes. Then stop these tears, please. Oh, it's enough. I just want you to rest and get well soon. Oh?
Please, you?
I'm sorry, my king. I couldn't let them die since I didn't have any other.
Father. So, she's not my mother.
Yes. She's not our mother.
Igwe, before you pass your judgment, the princess of Asian here has a confession to make.
What confession are you talking about? Father, please, pass your judgment. I am responsible for these children's condition.
What?
You turned my children into dogs?
You killed my mother. Have you forgotten? Father, she killed our mother.
I don't understand. What do you mean by she poisoned your food? You saw her and you still ate the food? Why, mother?
She manipulated me. She said, I want to take care of her sister. So I should kill her.
No, no, don't say that. Father needs to hear about this. I need to let Father know what she has done.
Father will not listen to her. He loves her so much.
I bet you, Father will listen to me. We have to tell him the truth. We have to tell him that that woman is evil.
Take care of your sister. The truth shall prevail.
No, mother. No, mother. No, don't say that. The truth has to prevail today. I will tell Father about it. I need to tell Father about it. That they should...
Wise one. She killed my mother so she can marry my father.
Had she married your father?
Yes, she has. She's pregnant as we speak.
What actually do you want me to do for you?
I want her to die. A life for a life. She took my mother's life, so I want her to die.
The revenge is of the gods of Ezani Kingdom. not yours.
Is that what the gods said?
Yes. So you have to wait for the days of reckoning. All you need to do is pray for your mother's soul to rest in perfect peace.
I've heard you, wise one. But please, before I go, I want to know something. Is there nothing else that can be done? Maybe like she having a miscarriage or something? I just do not want to hear a cry of a baby in the palace. Please.
Say another thing that you would want the gods to do for you.
I want the baby in her womb to be turned to dog.
Ebubagu nechago. Ebubagu nechago nechenago. Ebubagu nechenago ngwo. Omu abu ngwo na-egwodo ihe egwodoro egwodo. Ọ ga-eripụ ala ga ahụ mmụọ. I am the black snow that covers the white snow and brings forth darkness. I am the iroko tree that gives birds a resting place. She is having 2 babies in her womb. Should I turn the 2 babies into dogs?
Yes. Yes, wise one. I want the baby in her womb to turn to dog.
Ebubagu nechago. Ebubagu nechago. Ebubagu nechekwenago ngwo. Amu abu ngwo na-egwodo ihe egwodoro egwodo. Ọ ga-eripụ ala ga ahụ mmụọ. I am the black snow that covers the white snow and brings forth darkness. I am the iroko tree that gives birds a resting place. I can see 2 babies in her womb. Should I turn the 2 babies into dogs?
Yes. Yes, wise one. Turn them to dogs. A child that says his or her mother will not sleep, that child will know no sleep. Eliza, you killed my mother out of jealousy. And out of that same jealousy, you will know no peace. Those things in your stomach shall not be born as human, but as dogs. You will not burn them in labor room. You shall suffer. You shall crack your teeth. You shall be in so much pain.
Lisbeth, you killed your best friend to marry her husband. You did.
I'm sorry, my king. I was jealous. She was enjoying everything. Jealous, you see.
And you?
Father.
You took laws into your hands. Look at it. Look at the beautiful daughters that you turned to dogs. Take a look. Until the gods speak. Ezemo. Oh no.
Your Majesty.
I want us to see privately.
Your mother killed my mother!
Why you not give her the punishment? Why we say now us you can't give the punishment?
I'm not regretting anything.
I am going to deal with you. After now, I am going to deal with you. You know me. I am going to deal with you. You know me. Don't worry. It's not yet over.
Ezemo. Igwe. You are the mouthpiece of the gods. What did the gods say concerning the fate of my children?
Look on it, look. Yeah. Look on it, look. Asị m kedu ife elili ọkpụji gbado n'akpịlị. Donu ka arụ na-achọ n'obu agụ. Gbanị m okwu. Ọkpụkpụzi ka m na-eme. Unu kwuru na mba ada agwa n'okwu asị. Yawa. Eke. Oye, afọ nkwa afọ na n'ụbọchị na anọ. Igwe, the gods are silent. I shall repeat on the next Eke market day.
And what did the gods say? Did the gods say that my children will stay here?
Achọ Fabia mafa ya anọlụ. Onye ji anọ fachaba eze. Tuntun gengo makwa uso mboda n'ugwu fakide ja wan. Na-ekwunu. This is their father's house. They have come home to stay. But they forbid many things.
Quiet! What is all this raucousness all for? No. Ezemo. This is my judgment.
Go ahead.
From this day, I hereby banish you from my kingdom. And you, until the gods speak. In the next Eke market day, I shall proceed with your own judgment. I have spoken.
Tomorrow is a Eke market, and Ezemo promised to consult the gods. And if the gods finally speak, I might die.
You might die?
Yes.
How?
My father reserved his punishment, pending when he will hear from the gods.
There is nothing you can do about it. No other options are given.
What do you mean by no other options are given? So I should just wait for my death? Is that it?
I am not the gods.
Really? You are not the gods? But you gave me the charm, have you forgotten?
You asked for it.
Ah. Wait a minute. Is that what you are saying?
The gods did. I didn't say anything.
Ezeodo, we shall see.
Oyinatumba, the battle is of the gods and you, not me. Oyinatumba.
Jesus! You see, somebody told them, somebody called them bastard. They came to meet me. And I told them not to mind the person, that the person is a foolish person. Okay, the next time they now picked up knives that they want to kill themselves if I don't tell them the truth. What did he say? You say? Amadio have banished you. Yes. What? Amadio! They banish you? Chimo. Jesus. Why?
Sister, why? Why did you keep this thing away from me all this while? You left me to call someone that killed our mother, Mama. And you always watch me playing with her.
Flourish. There's always a reason for everything. I knew that a day like this would come. I didn't tell you because I knew that you wouldn't have tolerated it.
Actually, you are right. Because I would have made everybody in this palace regret it. Sis, there is something I want us to do.
Okay, what is it?
Let's chase those dogs out of this palace.
You think so?
Yes. Looking at them reminds me of my mother, even if I don't know her.
Okay, I will think about it.
Something is fishy. I see it too. But I don't want to smile yet. Please don't. I don't want to shed tears. But do you think she was right? She wasn't. She wasn't right, but Mom killing her mom. And she extending it to us was the wrong one. That's very bad. And we have to punish her for that. But Mom is very heartless. Very, very heartless. And she will never go scot-free. That's the height of wickedness. See, let me go to something. Let's pray for her. Pray for who? No, pray for who? I don't have that time. I am going to smile for her and you will shed tears for her. Mama, it's not like that. Let's do it this way now. Let's give our life for her now. Let's just pray for her. Even when life is involved, we have to do that too.
Oh no. Boniface. Honestly, I've been thinking. You see, this abomination that is happening in the palace, how will the king handle it?
Honestly, I am flabbergasted. I have never seen or heard such before. So I don't know.
You see, women. Women.
Women are very, very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous people.
See, a woman can take a secret to the grave.
If it is possible, they can even take a secret beyond the grave.
Oh.
Very dangerous people.
Mm.
A deadly secret, such as that. Well, the thing is, if the king does not handle this matter properly, the calamity that will befall Eziani will be unbelievable.
Hey!
I am telling you.
Oh no, I'm scared though. I'm beginning to get scared. Because I don't want anything that will jeopardize the peaceful coexistence of Eziani people. I don't want it to. Huh. Oh no, I'm scared though. I'm scared, honestly, because I don't want anything that will jeopardize the peaceful coexistence of Eziani people. I don't want it.
Boniface, you don't have to be scared. You understand? It is only in a situation when the king fails to handle the matter properly. That is when doom becomes our portion in Eziani. All of us. Everybody.
These children, they are scary.
Very, very scary. As a matter of fact, I cannot stay in the same house with them.
Who will?
It is not possible.
Those people that look evil. Ha!
Igwe. No. Here are the answers to your question. Your stay do not affect anything. But like I said earlier, there are things they forbid.
So what are the things they forbid?
First, don't curse them by their nature. And nobody should ever touch their tails.
Don't worry, children, you guys. I don't understand. What's the meaning of that one now? I'm talking to you now, madam. Are you okay? What is your worry?
If I give you one slap, if you want to watch TV, you go to your father's house. If at all there's any there.
Well, give me the remote back.
Give you what?
Give me the remote back.
I'm not giving you anything. I'm not giving you anything.
Okay? Yeah, come on. Come on, your hand now. Give me your hand.
What do you want to do? Give me. Chief.
Give me your hand.
What do you want to do?
Give up.
Give me that thing. Chief.
Yeah, come.
Stop! My parents will not be happy if they see you like this. I don't care. Let me. No! Get out! No, let them.
You like to get out.
I want them out of this palace.
You are the fool here. You are mad. You don't have sense. You think you are princess because we are leaving you. Let me tell you something, madam. Both of us we are the real princess in this palace. The real OGs. You are wealthy princess. So go and sit down one place.
You people don't even look like princesses. You look like ancient of the days.
You shut up. You that look like princesses. You see, you that look like princesses.
Let me do with these people.
I bet you are used to
Rico, see one.
I'll just smash you on the ground.
You that look like princesses.
Oh, leave me! Leave me! I feel like stoning you. Go save you people. Rubbish.
These are all the maids, right? Yeah. If are complete. Okay, fine. So I want to say something and I want you people to pay attention. I will not repeat myself, oh. I will not repeat myself. Just pay attention. Am I understood?
Yes.
Good. So what I want to tell you for now, you see those nonsense girls inside this palace. I've observed the way you treat them, the way you respect them, the way you pamper them, the way you people are going from today, people are going to accord us that same respect. Do you understand? We are going to give us that same respect you give them. Because now we even get this place. Now we be the main princess for this place. So I don't understand that one side favor. I don't like it. People have to share the same love, share the same respect, everything. Let it reach us. Am I understood? Am I making sense? Yes. Am I making sense, somebody?
Yes.
You guys shut up. Which one is yes? Eh? Now, repeat after me. Yes, my princess.
Yes, my princess.
Good, good. So now, henceforth, see that clothes they used to wear? Want to be wearing it too. Want to be dressing like all those, our own will be better than their own. Like, if you look at us, you know that I will be the main princess. Do you understand? So who amongst is in charge? Who is supposed to dress us?
We dress, but we take orders from the queen or the king.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? The queen is our mother. The king is our father. If I slap you, you will not remember how to talk again. Don't let me slap you there. Are you okay? Now, all of you, get inside. Prepare the cloth you want to wear. Right now.
Yes.
Yes.
What? Are you disobeying the princess? What the hell is going on here? And who dressed them like princesses?
Yes, they are princesses.
When my father comes back, I'm going to report all of you to him. Rubbish.
Continue, take them the picture. They are princesses.
You look beautiful.
You come this way, don't spoil their picture.
Where did you get these dresses from? I'm talking to you. Where did you get these dresses from?
From the bush.
From the bush?
Mm-hmm. Now, what do you want here now? From bush. Now, where you get that from? You see, we are still angry with you. If you don't know. We are still angry with you, so just avoid us. Avoid us to avoid another wahala. Do you understand? Stay away from us. And see, make I tell you, you are the one that put us in this condition. You still have the mind to come to this side and be talking to us in here. See, maintain. But let's leave it because the more I'm looking at that, the more the anger is coming.
Greetings, my princess.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Who dressed those kids as princesses?
We did.
You did? And if I may ask, who asked you to do that? Is it my father? Because I know that he will never say that. So who asked you to dress them as princesses?
My princess, they came to us. They said they want to be dressed like princesses. So we had no options than to go ahead.
You had no option. You had no option. You dressed a commoner as a princess? And you're telling me you had no option? Is that it? Very well then.
Sorry, ma.
You and your fellow maidens will hear from me. Come to my room right now.
Wait though. Where is Joycey?
She followed Princess Fina inside.
Because of the same dressing?
My sister, I wouldn't know. I only saw her moved inside with her after the interrogation.
But Queen Mother has a bitter heart. Does he know what it means to kill your fellow human being? Talk more of someone close to her as a friend.
Best friends for that matter. Because of a man?
Because of a king.
What kind of statement is that? Does it worth it?
It doesn't
worth killing your fellow human being.
It doesn't worth it, my sister. Eh? Blood is blood, no matter what. Anyway, how far? What happened? Eh? What really happened?
There will be war in this palace.
War? How?
Very, very soon. Get prepared.
How?
Serious one.
I don't understand.
What the hell is going on here? Why are you sitting in our dining table eating? Can't you guys talk? Are you not there for something? You don't feel anything? Father! Father! Just look at them. The confidence.
What is it?
They're eating on our dining table. Father, say something.
Not to worry, my daughter. Follow me.
Father.
Follow me to the upstairs.
This is
Come, follow me.
Can you use sister? They will come baby separate before you come. You see, for this palace, is it that you leave or we leave? Make a shock you. Make a shock you. You don't believe. We don't pay. We pay for ground like this. We shut the board. Now we pick the board. No leave, no transfer. Understand? So you see you. Your mind will tell you. Nonsense. Look at that. Back to center. See, like I tell you, don't come. No transfer from resident. Don't.
Agbakembu ya to n'ogbo agbakabo ya to n'ogbo sogwe kapiraku iyo koko. Amu abu ngwongwo egbodo ihe egbodo egbodo. Ọ ga irupu ala ga ahụ mmụọ. Ofu mbaji dị kpasa na gbangade egwu. Oyi na atumba. Oyi na atumba. What brings you to Ezodo's shrine?
Ezodo? Those girls are after my life.
After your life? How?
The dogs, they attacked me.
Did they try to bite you?
No, they didn't. But the girls told me physically that it's either I leave the palace or they will leave. And they also say that it is obvious that I will be the one to leave the palace.
Oyi Natumba. Oyi Natumba. Don't worry. I will turn their faces away from you.
Okay, but Izodo, is it not possible for you to just drive them out of the palace? Let them go to the bush and die so that my father can forget about them totally?
Oyi Natumba. When the lizard dwells too long by the river bank, it ends up serving as a meal in the belly of a crocodile. It is a very difficult task to achieve.
I don't understand what you mean by difficult task. Just tell me what it takes. Is it not money? How much? I will pay. I'm ready to do anything as long as those things just leave the palace so I can have peace of mind.
Oyi Natumba. It is a task that you have to carry out. That forever they will never be seen around the palace. Even the king will have to forget everything about them in Ezani kingdom forever.
Then what are you waiting for? Spill! I'm ready to do anything it takes. Yes.
No matter how a woman dances, she dances not at her husband's funeral. You will have to bathe naked in a 4 cardinal junction.
Yes, my princess. Sent for me.
We sent for you. Is the car ready?
Yes, my princess.
Very clean.
Yes, my princess.
Yeah. I want you to take us shopping. Oh yeah, let's go now.
What is happening? Everyday palaver. Is your kingdom? A beginning a mezio. Strange things are happening. Things we cannot explain. It's happening every day. Yo, what is happening?
Make sure you bring what I want. Go and bring what I want. Don't forget anyone. Don't forget any single one at all. I don't want to look for them. Go back there and pack our things now. You're following us. You're following us.
I think they're coming back from shopping.
Exactly. Where did they get the money from?
It must be my father. He gave them the money.
These girls are trying to level up with you.
They're not fit. They can never. We can never be in the same level.
Well, you just have to see your dad start giving you money for shopping.
Exactly. I'll tell him.
Strange things are happening. Things we cannot explain. It's happening every day.
Bathed naked in 4 junction? How can he even mention that to me? The princess of Isiani community. Sounds funny. But is it not better I do it? Instead of these dogs to kill me? No. There should be another way out.
Ma, wetin be that? Ma, wetin dey happen? Ma, wetin dey happen? Food wey I keep for you inside, you never chop am. Wetin dey happen? Ma?
Why should I eat?
You're crying, oh?
What am I eating for? Why should I eat? When I don't even know the whereabouts of my sister.
What's happened to your sister? You don't get phone?
I called her, she did not answer. Nobody pick.
You called her, you know, answer. Go to the palace now. You don't know where it's palace. I'll be make I take you to there.
She was banished from the palace. She has been sent away.
What comes up with the banish? What's the banish for? I don't understand. Nah, eh? Why you so they do like that? Why you gonna do like that?
Who you saying you also?
Not the king now. What did I do that you punish me? What did I do? Come on, Igbo. Come on, Igbo. You don't want what is that? Can I chop your food or may you not die? What's come on, Igbo, you banish me. Your sister banish you. What your sister do? No! Let it be banishing everybody in the community. Let it banishing everybody. He banish me. He banish the queen, the law. Now small time now you go banish the princess, banish the keeper, the food keeper, the food server. You go banish the palace maid. You go banish everybody in the palace. Let only him stay.
Big sis, what is wrong with you? Since today, I noticed something different from your behavior.
Next tomorrow is a K market, and no one knows what it holds.
The woman that killed our mother will be punished, not you.
Your sister that is responsible for Wani and Handy's condition. What will happen to her? Besides, the queen has been banished.
Are you afraid?
Of course I'm afraid. I might die. And I don't want to die. Promise me something. Promise me that if I die, you will take good care of yourself. Promise me that you will be strong.
No.
Flourish, listen, just promise me,
Stop
okay?
it, please. You are not going to die. I promise you. Even though they say the ways of the gods are not the ways of human.
Where did you learn that from?
I always heard that spirit. Be strong.
I love you more.
Abo se bwana. Abro mwangu. Akuilo makede jaga n'ogwo. Ekwu ya fa na nkwo gwanim. Igwe, your daughter's life can be restored. But gods give condition. A life shall be given to save a life. What is a mystery? One shall sacrifice oneself for the other.
No. Enough will happen. Never will it happen. It cannot happen. Let's go. What I remain the same. What I remain the same.
sacrificed herself for them to live. That's just it. Huh? That's what they have to do about it.
Boniface, I would have said this thing at the palace before the king, but I decided to reserve my comment.
You would have said it now. Because that is why I said, if the king should handle this matter without sentiments, the person who should pay the price is the princess.
Is the princess? But that is where the problem lies. Would the king ever allow the princess to pay the price?
He will not. King what are you saying? The princess herself, will she accept to do it? Mba! You know her well now.
Calamity upon calamity will befall Eziani if the price is not paid.
Eziani will not remain the same if that sacrifice is not done. So we must try our best to do that sacrifice and appease the gods. Simple. That is it.
I don't want to tell you that this is an abomination, but we all know.
This is ridiculous. How am I going to do this? I'm confused. Who is going to be used for this sacrifice? Is it my daughter, the princess of this kingdom? Is it Handy? Or Wani? Gods of our land, what do I do? I'm confused.
What am I going to do? This is very big for me to handle. Mother, I was only trying to avenge your death. I am sorry. I didn't do what I did intentionally. Please, I don't want to make a mistake again.
The princess of Eziani community, what do you seek in my shrine again?
Wise one, I came to find out if there is any other option. Because I cannot possibly bait at a 4 junction. For crying out loud, I am the crown princess of Eziani community. People can't just see me baiting at a 4 junction. It's not possible. So please, I've tried. It's not working. Just tell me if there's any other option, please.
I am sorry, my princess, but I cannot help you at this point.
Is that it? So I should just go back to the palace and wait for the date of my death?
As you wish, my princess.
Seriously? You really want me dead? How dare you? How dare you stand before me and wish me dead? How dare you?
Nothing glorious comes easy, my princess. Else, everyone would have been successful in life. When the child says that his mother will not sleep, he also will never sleep.
Very well then. You will die before me. You will die before me. You will die before me. Where are you? Show yourself. Evil man, show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. Where are you? Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. Where are you? Show yourself.
Wise one, please. Please, I beg you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't see, please. Wise one, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't see. I'm sorry, please. Please, I can't see.
Silence! Now, turn your back.
Baba?
Turn!
Baba? I can see. I can see. Wise one, I can see. I can see again. Wise one, what have you done to me again? I can't see again. I can't see again.
Are you still here? Turn and go!
I can see. I can see. I can see.
Let us run away. Okay? I cannot afford to die you or even lose you. Instead, let's remain like this. After all, we are not complaining. Yes, we like where we are.
Guards!
Happiness!
Guards! Quickly! Come. Take her to the hospital. Now. Go. Quickly. Go. Gods of Asian kingdom. Why are we passing through all this? Why? They shouldn't have taken her to the hospital.
Why?
Because she's dead.
How did you know? You were not even here when it happened.
Whatever you don't know, let it be.
Yeah? Are you people sure that you're not responsible for what just happened here? Talk! Are you sure?
Asking too many questions at the same time may cost your life. Just be guided.
You are scaring me.
No, you don't need to be scared. We are human beings like you. Just go until you find it. She's dead. She's dead. Now, go back to your duty post. Hurry.
My king, you called me back.
Get ready to go for the sacrifice tomorrow.
Have they accepted?
No. They have not. But I've decided to do it my own way.
So shall it be. Bring them before the shrine tomorrow morning for the sacrifice.
Father. So the person should face the consequences. Else, we remain like this. And After all, we're not cooking the way we are. We like it like this. Yes. Let's go. Come on, afford to leave any of work.
So I can actually do it. It's simple. Gods of our land. Tomorrow is a K market. What am I going to do?
My people, I have finally decided to put a full stop to everything. The sacrifice must be done. And I've decided to use the princess of Asian kingdom for this sacrifice that will stand as deterrent to every other human being if I can do this to myself. And that is final.
Father.
Ndị Igbo say, Ogbumma ga-esi na mmana. Ogbu egbe ga-esi na gịnị mee? Na egbe na.
To accord.
Guards!
Father, please.
Prepare her. She must go to the shrine of this kingdom for a sacrifice. I have spoken.
Father, please don't do this. Father, please. Father, please. No, Father.
Iman onyugo akụcha nọdụ igu anyị ya adị ya ahụ grikpo ndachi ụzọ ọgbanya kpụ wiki mawụrụ abụ gagaji si anya koluo heu ibu ibu
Spare her, for the throne of Asia and the kingdom lies with her. Take me in replacement of her for the sacrifice. I am ready to die for my sister, to live and keep the throne of Asia and the community.
You want to do this? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just like the king said.
But don't call them dog, cause if you try them, so we are the quao. Fapo quankitao, manapo quana fankitao, epo fankitao.
Ebe ko neme. Aka neme unu ka ni fe neme lu ni fe ka ni fe neme li fe. Obi ba ma ka yi neme. Igiri ki o. Asi mo ti neme. Imo no ti neme. Enya.
One good smile. Then thunder goes.
Ebe ko ka neme. Ebe ko ka neme. Eke? Oye. Hello. May the gods be praised.
Them be dog, but don't call them dog. Cause if you try them, so we are the quao. Fapo quankitao, manapo quana fankitao, epo fankita. Wahala day, one no go cry, the other one no go smiling. If we go we buy, I send a mother love. One no go smile, the other one go cry, then thunder go strike.